Hello, this is what happens when you don't think things out, or not enough experience. I don't know what you want to call it. But right there, it's a thermostat. If your transmission start not overheating after a few minutes of driving, you need one of these. These are thermostat. This is like an engine thermostat. This is because California wanted the transmission to heat up faster and get to save fuel. And since they put this crap on here, if you got a truck, a Chevy truck, like a Chevy Express, this is Chevy Express 2500, long idle burns these out. And you might want to replace that before you put a transmission in it. If you're lucky and have common sense, not trying to drive it, you're all right. But if you put one of these in there, you might not need a transmission. My advice to you, do not do stupid things without checking and finding out and doing more research. Fast buyers, they're liars. Just joke. But see, this is a brand new transmission. This is overheating too. So good luck and God bless.